Gary. Good morning to all of you.
Morning, Congressman.
This song that I'm going to sing now is normally this is being sung during weddings. And this how Mushy Filipinos are, how the way they express their love for their wife or their girlfriends like that. So the message of the song is really like that. So you will not be able to understand the language, but we hope to reach your hearts with the melody.
Wish 1075.
Do you want us like to make a scene? Yeah. Getting married. Okay, down.
Ngunit lang itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal hanggang may himig pa ako naririnig dito sa aking daigdig hanggang may musika ako tinataglay kita'y iniibig. All Filipinos, you can sing with me, ha? Iniwan mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking nilisanin. Di ko magagawa, lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Thank you for the backup. Hanggang ang diwa ko'y tanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan dahil ikaw lamang hanggang may hilig pa ako naririnig dito sa aking daigdig hanggang may musika akong tinataglay kita'y iniibig.
Iniwan mo sanang isipin,
Ikaw ay aking lisanin. Di ko magagawa lumayo sa iyong piling. Ang nais kong
malaman mo
kung gaano kita kamahal. I love you, that's the melody of this song. We are all truly blessed to have you guys with us. Thank you so much for celebrating the happy Independence Day to all of you. Okay, one more, guys. Hanggang may puso ako marunong magmahal at ang sinisigaw ay lagi na ikaw hanggang saan, hanggang kailan
kitang mahal hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal.
Iniwan mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking nilisanin. Di ko magagawa lumayo hanggang may pag-ibig, pag-inisisi ka, pag
tanging ikaw